Are you ready to get lifted and plump today? So let's get started. Hi, this is Darcy and welcome to the best skin of your life in 30 days. On this series, I'm following along with the Ziip app plan the best skin of your life in 30 days, sharing my results and before and afters and doing full demonstration of each day treatment. And today is day 10. Day 9 was a break. If you follow along with this plan, you should be able to see great results for fine lines, lifting, skin texture, brightening, and today we're gonna have the treatments Instant Gratification and PLUMP. If you want to jump anywhere in this video, please make sure to check on the timestamps below and like this video if it's helpful to you. Now, let's get to it. Before we do the treatments, I'm going to do a little overview of each treatment and then I'm going to go straight into the demo. One of today's treatments is Instant Gratification, which really packs a punch. Get dramatic results exactly where you want them. This microcurrent power facial workout stimulates your muscle to instant lift and contour your defining features. You will love reaching for this brow lifting contour treatment to prep for a social event or when your skin needs a little pick-me-up. The Ziip tips. The goal is to achieve an instant sculpted appearance. The results is improved contour of your face, neck, and jawline. The current is a powerful microcurrent. The intensity is an intense vibration, and the level is easy. The other treatment we're going to be doing today is plump. And this one is one of my favorite, guys. This plumping facial will breathe life back into your skin. Stimulating microcurrent and smooth vibrations restore fullness to your cheeks, mouth, eye area, and temples. Spend time focused on areas that have hollowed over time to add plumpness to your complexion. The Ziip tips. The goal is to increase volume and add fullness to your face. The result is plump, firm, and full skin in your chosen area. The current is medium-level microcurrent, and the intensity is soft tingling and smooth vibrations, and the level is easy. Now, let's get started. On a fully cleansed face, apply the gel all over, and today I'm going to be using the Ziip Silver Gel. Make sure you have gel all over, even on your lips, because one of the treatments will be plumping your lips as well. So let's start with the Instant Gratification. Begin next treatment, and make sure you press the power button on the bottom of the Ziip to turn it on and sync it up. And the areas to avoid is the thyroid immediately under the eyes. So now let's get started. You start on your neck, and Melanie likes to go on the sides all the way up, but it's a free-form treatment. The way I like to do is go up and include the cheeks and one swipe up. But you can focus on your jawline if you like. Yeah, Melanie often does this side here to just give an overall lift. But you can focus on each area that you like. If you want to work more on the jaw, is a very strong current that will really help to lift the jawline. You can also go under your cheeks and up like Melanie. She also does this little tug thing at the end to do an extra lift. So you can start on your neck, include the cheeks like I do, and eyes in one swipe. I like to do this, especially when I'm in a hurry. I like to just lift everything up and give an extra tug, if you like, on the forehead line. And include the jawline, if that's what you want to focus on. In your cheeks, but it's a free form. You just kind of do what areas you wanted to focus on. And when it beeps, you're going to go to the other side. And it's very nice to lift the brow and give a nice open eye look. And you see results instantly and long term. So the video is there to guide you, to give ideas of movements, but you can find movements that work the best for you. And as she mentioned, you can also do this little wiggle at the hairline to kind of give an extra lift. And then up. And up. And she likes to do this vertical thing when you come in the neck and you just go up and wiggle. So any way that you want to lift. And she also does this movement here, which help to lift the sides. But it's a very strong current, so avoid the immediate under eye and avoid the thyroid. And it's a 6-minute treatment, so as soon as it beeps, we're gonna go to the other side. And let's get started. You can go all the way up. Kind of following her movements here. She's just doing this side lift. I like to include the cheeks when I do the up. And I always include the eyes. But you can include each way you want. And focus on the areas that are more concerned to you. Like the jawline. Up. You can move the jaw and go all the way up. And then you can go as slow or fast as you want. And lift. Or you can also do shorter movements if you like as well. Just focusing on the jaw to really carve it up. You can do this cheek, which is right underneath the cheek muscle. Going right underneath. And up. Melanie has a saying, when in doubt, always out and up. And I like including the eye on all of them. My favorite is this one, to just go neck, cheeks, eyes, and forehead. Because that way I'm including everything in one swap. You can also include your chin. Just make sure to avoid the thyroid. And the video is there to guide you, so the video is not synced to the Ziip itself. But the Ziip does sync to the treatment. So before you start your treatment, make sure you see that synced Ziip. And this is a great treatment for an overall lift because it will give you the instant result, but long term it will also help. And it combines really well with other shorter treatments, which we will have today as well after this. So whenever the treatment is done, the Ziip will stop. And that's it. You're gonna see there's a little check mark next to instant gratification. And to start the plump treatment, just select begin next treatment. And make sure you press the power button here. Make sure your Ziip is synced. And once the Ziip sync, we can get started. And the plump treatment you can do in the areas that you want to add volume because it has a waveform that creates volume. So you can do it on your lips. It's great to bring the volume back on the lips. Because it's a waveform that helps to create volume. You can also do it on the nasal labial folds because sometimes we have little dents in here. So you can bring back the volume there. And it'll be fluttering. The sensations is just a constant vibration. You can do it on the cheeks if you want to add volume as well. Any area that you want to focus to add volume. I also like to do it on my under eye hollows. You can do there. Any area that you need to add volume back on, especially if you have a hollowness there, and the forehead. It's very great for the forehead because you can also work on the fine lines. Mine beeped already, but I want to work a little more on the forehead, and then I'll move to the other side. And then I'll move back to my lips a little. You can do both sides of the lips like that. And now the nasal lip folds from the other side. And you can repeat this treatment if you like as well. It's a very short treatment, so you can combine it as well. The cheeks, to plump the cheeks. Or stay on the left lines if you like. And I also like to include my under eyes. And it is a treatment that you can use there if you have hollowness, and I tend to have some hollowness that sometimes too, especially when I'm tired, but also from aging. And the forehead. And that's it. And I love this treatment, guys. You can repeat it if you like. It's only a 2-minute treatment, so it's great to combine with other treatments as well. And the treatment is completed. And tomorrow there are no treatments. I just washed my face and I love my results. My skin is instantly lifted and brighter and plumper. And if you're interested on the Ziip, I do have a coupon code and I'll leave that in the description box below with my affiliate link. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you on day 12. Bye.